What's up, everyone? What's up? What's up? What's up? Hey, what's up, everyone? How y'all doing? This is one of the hottest streaming video out here. Hottest streaming here is Tech Talk with Tech Demo. I'm Tech Demo. How y'all doing this Saturday night? We are talking about this new topic. It's really most important to me is cybersecurity. How to prevent yourself to get attacked by cybersecurity. Before I say anything more, y'all might want to say why y'all should listen to me or why I should give you advice about technology. I spent all of my adult life studying technology through schools, training, and learning all the skills necessary to be a technology expert. I have just gained two degrees. I have a social science degree in information system analysis, and I studied all areas of programming, network security, database design, learning all the operating system and troubleshooting skills, and then I also did work on the business side of it. I did accounting and business management, and then later on I decided to upgrade my skills. I earned a Bachelor of Science degree in information technology at South University, and that's more in depth. I did cybersecurity, I did database management design, I did server security. I did learn how to design security, server, I did programming, I did business management and finance, I did project management, and that was a really in-depth course, a bachelor degree in information technology degree. Okay, let's get on the topic for this evening. One is my dearest topic I'm working on right now. I want to share with everybody. Most of my customers are really asking me about how to prevent them to get cyber attacks. I'll tell you one prevention you can do is upgrade your system. If you have your operating system, always keep your computer up to date, and that will prevent any security holes in your system. Or make sure you have a firewall installed in your system. That's basic common sense and training to help prevent against cyber attacks. In one of my previous live stream, I was introduced one of these popular software. Even my software that I use for my computer system, I use Norton programs, the Norton suite I use for my particular computer system. It's very valuable to me. It's a Norton, and then if either one you want to use, I recommend Norton. It's a pretty good suite right there. Norton or McAfee. That's another pretty good suite of McAfee antivirus software. Where you can do your work, do your homework, and find out what particular software is really good for you. What is software is really good for you when you need to protect your computer system. I have Norton 360. That's a pretty good software system right there. A security system for your computers, and you can install Norton 360 all on your tablet, your mobile, all your mobile devices. That's a pretty good system there. What security system? Make sure you install a firewall. Make sure you have a firewall on your computer system. You can install right there. Make sure your firewall is on your system. I'm really working on the stream. I'm also chatting and streaming on YouTube, Facebook, and Twitch, and Twitter. I have a couple combination of streaming and chat rooms. I have answering questions, and let's do a little bit before I get into the nitty gritty. So in the little Q&A, that's one of my trips I have did one of my sightseeing trip, also a photographic. I was working on that right there. But let's click on the Q&A. Okay, that's the Q&A right now. Okay. I also answer questions on the street. People ask me on the street, ask me what question is, and number one question is how to check on your firewall. How to get into your firewall to protect it. I have one of the questions I heard got on the street. They asked me, and I'm gonna show you and demonstrate it right now. Okay, let's hit it right here on the screen. I'm gonna do a little bit of a demonstration. Okay. Check here, demonstration number one, demonstration. Screen view, right there, I'm going to show you. Okay, Yemen's right here. You can see a good look at me right now. Yeah, okay. I'm going to set this up here. Okay. Now, actually, for the screen view, this is the Norton 365. I'm going to put that. That's just what I installed on my computer. A lot of people I have asked me right off the street. My Q&A is both chat room and people who ask me questions on the street. One of the questions that was a street question. Somebody asked me on the street how to check if your firewall is on. I told them just go to the search menu right here. Search for security. You automatically search for security right here. I don't know if you see it here. Okay. Now you search for security here. Let's put security information system or security backup. You automatically choose for security setting. Click on the security settings right there. And bring you to the security search for a particular firewall, and it's the area you search. Check if you have firewall. Make sure your security level is in a certain degree here. This is your connection here. Your privacy level here. All your privacy level here. This is the general rule right here. This is the security area you check here. Mine is connected to the firewall. Is connected to Norton antivirus program. But this is the section you go to check for if your firewall is on. But actually, you couldn't see mine because mine is connected to the Norton suite. The firewall suite is connected to Norton right here. But that's the area you go to. You want to check if your firewall is on. A lot of people say, what is firewall? Firewall is a protection. Is what it says, a firewall. It's a protection to protect you from anything penetrating into your computer system. It's to bring up a security firewall. If anything try to come in like a bug, an antivirus, a program, or software, or unsolicited software, a malicious virus, that will block anything coming through it. It's bring like a security wall. You can say it's a fence or a security wall, and they call that the firewall. Okay, that's demonstrated here. I'm sure this is my antivirus suite right here, Norton antivirus. Anyone that asks me about security, you can go to your control panel. Get you down here. This is actually doing a scan, a virus scan. It's also checking for virus and malware program, and I'm also doing a virus scan right on the Norton app. I have an app on that computer. But just go down here, bring this up here. You can also go to your control panel. This is the security area right here. If y'all can see the security area here, I'm gonna bring it back right here. This is most of you do all your upgrades right here. And you secure all your firewall right here. This is also the computer backup. You want to back up information, programs, or folders. You also go in this area and do backup. Security, system and security, review the computer status of the computer. I'm going to show you right now and click that area. Okay, that's that particular area right there. You see. This is all the security area here. You make your upgrades here in the security area. Make sure. Okay, now right here, if you can see, I'm going to bring this up here. Okay, if you can actually see, I'm going to show it a little bit up here. Okay, this is the area where I have a question. A young lady asked me on the street about knowing if your firewall is on. This is the firewall right here. But it's a network firewall. You can see this area here is on. And you're sure this mine is connected, I would say mine is connected to Norton 360 right here, but this is the firewall right here, and mine is on here. That's also a form of protection there. Yeah, the young lady was asking me about how to check her firewall on her computer, and this is the area you go to. You go to straight to control panel, and from control panel, it's system and security. Or if you want to go to the search menu, in your computer, you can just type in system and security. Actually bring you to this screen right here, and you'll see your security area here. Okay, I'm gonna click that area there, and that's what's the show and tell. That was the question was on the street. Okay, I'm gonna click on turn this off. Get back on the Q&A. Okay, back on the Q&A right here now. If anyone have questions, I'm going to set up the chat room. If I have any questions directly in the chat room, I'm going to set that up right there. And make sure I'm also chatting on Twitter and Twitch. One of the questions was Wi-Fi security. How to surf Wi-Fi security in public area, the Wi-Fi public area. One area you can do is set up a virtual private network. Once you set up a virtual private network, you can actually surf the internet without anyone know you surfing through a private network, a public network. I'm sure you surfing through a public network. That was the question. How was the Wi-Fi connection? If somebody was surfing on a public Wi-Fi, how to keep yourself secure? One of the main reasons to get yourself secure are in your data protection. If something happened, you have to adamant go in a private Wi-Fi network, or you actually can set up a virtual private network, and that will give you a protection of your data and everything while surfing through a public network. Okay, that's one question right there. Okay, let me set this up here. Now, another question coming through the chat room. Okay. Password. A lot of people say about password. How to set up a strong password. One thing you can set up a strong password is through password manager. You can set up a password through there. Through password manager, it automatically set up password for you. Really strong password for you, where you can actually set up your password and also install your password. chat room coming down here. Want to ensure endpoint protection? Yes, you can. That is where we work there. One of the things I say for password, have a second area of security. Actually, set up a second area of security, a second step. I call it the second step of security. When you are putting an account into your setting up an account or log into your account, that goes directly code just go directly to your smartphone. That's a second layer of security. Once you log into your account, set up a second layer of security, and that code will actually goes to your smartphone. That's another protection, prevent for anyone to hack into your network, anyone to hack into you when you log into a banking account, a Amazon account. Set up an area of security. There's a second layer of security, and that password, that code goes straight to your smartphone. It will work. It work all the time. That's another layer of protection you can use to protect you from getting anyone to get stolen your information from these accounts from Amazon. When your Amazon account, when you log into your Amazon, your Netflix account, different area account, that's basically start a second layer of security. Text message that goes straight to your smartphone. Okay, that's the end of the Q&A. Okay, that's the end of the Q&A there. Okay, everyone. I know everyone to get back to your job. I'm gonna get back to watching the football game. I'm gonna look at what's playing on tonight. I know today everyone want to get everything going. I would thank you and welcome everyone to take time in your busy schedule this night to kind of look and view my